ready to race. And the race is on. Lim Shoti, impulsive decision. Schematics, Hoy. Tama na. On the outside is Traditional Dream, number 4, Monde Star. Plenty of Grace, Tamerat Cut, Transfer Factor, while Open Mind is running at the tail of the field. Schematics, Hoy. Tama na. Lim Shoti in the middle is Monde Star, impulsive decision. Plenty of Grace racing in 6 from the outside, moving up by the rallies Open Mind and Traditional Dream, Tamerat Cut, while Transfer Factor is now running at the tail of the field. Hoy! Tama na. Schematic, and running by the rail is Lim Shoti, impulsive decision. Monde Star in the middle as they race the corner. Impulsive decision. A long shot. Monde Star by the rail is Lim Shoti. Schematics as they race the final corner. Bunch of horses now fighting for the lead. Impulsive decision. Monde Star, then on the inside is Open Mind. Tamerat Cut on the further outside. Hoy, tama na. Transfer Factor rushing up in the middle and hitting the finish line. Tamerat Cut, Transfer Factor, and finally close. Tamerat Cut, impulsive decision. Then comes Transfer Factor, number 8, Open Mind, and Hoy, tama na for your pen.